loves to plan. Welcome back to my channel. So it is that time again to decorate my monthly spreads, and I do have to say this may be, I haven't decided yet because my 2022 planner has a December monthly in it, so I might just switch over to that next month. I don't know, I haven't decided. So this could possibly be the last monthly that I do in my Hemlock and Oak, but this will definitely not be the last one in my horizontal happy planner, so I do plan on using that until the end of the year. So for November, I thought I'd actually go back to a kit that I used back in October. I used the Amber kit in all of my spreads, and I had so much of this left over that I wanted to be able to use it in all of the monthly spreads for November. Let's get started. Now, if you're not familiar with the Hemlock and Oak, the Hemlock and Oak monthly spread actually has two parts to it. The first is this page, which is a goal setting page and the space to plan, and then the second is actually the monthly spread. So before I do anything, I am going to grab one of my month stickers and I'm going to do the clear one. I'm going to grab one of my month stickers and actually put down November, because you guys noticed it last month. I did not do that. I totally screwed that up. So there's November, and I'll put November as well. This one is in the white matte. So one of each. Cute. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and decorate. I think for this part I'm going to keep it very simple, because this part is really just going to be all about the deco. And then once the month is done, I'll print off a few pictures from the month, I ripped it, from the month specifically, and put them down in the space to plan page, because I think it just looks so great. And once you've added a few pictures in there, kind of like October is not done yet, but kind of like what I did in September and in August and in July, I really like being able to look back and see those. So then with that, I'm going to add this washi to it. And, whoops. I'll just add that here with a, do I want to put the box? Or do I want, I know what I want not this sticker. I have so many different sticker albums with different things in it. I had these done as a custom with Let's Plan It because I really like the font. So just a very simple reflection. And then I think down at the bottom here, I'm going to place this with the Hello Fall. Just like so. And then place one of maybe these washi, or it's all about the layering. Oops, the sticker's not coming up properly. There we go. Yeah, all about the layering. And then I leave all of this space open in the middle. And then here I want to add, I'm going to add, now I have to say though, in the last month I haven't been very good about using this particular space, so I don't know if I'm just going to leave it. I haven't really been very good about using it. But I will definitely use this. I think it's just such a great way to be able to look back and see it's memory planning, but on a much simpler scale. I think I got kind of scared off of memory planning because I was so far behind and it was just a lot. Oh, I like the look of that. Then I will add this with, which one do I want to add? I think I will add this, but I feel like it's too big. So I will add, instead of that one, we'll do this, which is cute. And then add just a box with some, where's the washi I want to use? This bow washi. Just cut it right in the middle. Very simple layering. And then I might just leave the bottom two to this. So very simple. Moving on to the next page. This is also, this monthly spread is used for social media planning, as well as I like to keep a habit tracker in here as well. Before I put any stickers down, I'm going to go ahead and write in all of the dates. All right, so now that I've written the days or the dates in there, I can do a little bit more decorating. Let's see. There's this really big floral, but I feel like I should maybe save that for something else. That's okay. Maybe my other spread. Then add that and that. Again, it's just layering, and I know some people have said that I make this look easy, but I really just try to do different clusters. I try not to think about it too much, because I feel like if I do, then it could take me ages to complete a spread if I think about it too much. I do want to put something up in that corner. I just don't know what yet. This is too big, so I think maybe I'll just put a floral. Which floral? Maybe do a little bunch here. Then this orange. I really like the colors of this kit. I think they're perfect for fall without being too typical of fall. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay. No, and this kit is very easy to use, I think. Very easy to use. So now I've got the room there. I'm going to go ahead now. Now, did I just shoot myself in the foot by not having enough room? I'm going to go ahead and draw in the habit tracker. I'm just looking at this. It does look really sparse. So I'm gonna add in maybe a couple of just florals around to add a little bit of something to this spread, because I think I do have a lot of this deco that I can still use, and then I'll still have plenty to be able to decorate my horizontal spread. So let's add this washi down at the bottom, along with, there's so many different, like these are all beautiful. I'm just trying to make sure that I am using them, I say correctly. Where's my round grid? There we go. Cute. I'm going to keep it very, very simple, because what I end up doing is I write in basically my plan for social media, things like that, and then I don't know if I'm going to do that on screen. Should I do that on screen? I don't know. Maybe I'll just speed through it. So that is my monthly spread in my Hemlock and Oak, and I really like how simple it is, but still really pretty. And I think I've gone really simple with this just because I know that, I don't know, I kind of feel like I'm going off of my Hemlock and Oak, if that makes sense, because I'm just really excited to get into my Hobonichi, but I still want to use it for the time that I've got it. So that is the Hemlock and Oak. Let's move on to the Happy Planner. All right, so the Happy Planner spread I actually find really fun to do because it is my gratitude spread. It is just about gratitude, and I feel like having a spread dedicated just for that is so fun to look back on. And I'm going to use this reflection again because I honestly enjoy being able to look back at the one thing I'm grateful for each day. And some days it could be just a thing of my coffee or a Happy Meal, or you know, other days it's a little bit more profound. But it doesn't have to be, you know, something that you have to think too hard about. It's the more that you do it, the practice becomes a lot easier, in my mind anyway. But then again, I have been really doing it for quite a few years now, I think. Okay, trying to really use up this kit as much as possible. Love that. And the way that I do decorate this, again, it's very, I want to say sparingly, but it's because I do want to be able to, for example, have a few florals down here, and then maybe a few florals up at the top. But I think this is just really going to be about making the most of what I can in this space. And a little bit more, I say a little bit more washi, but I'm gonna, oh, you know what I should have done? Let's see if I can still lift this up. I'm almost afraid to, because I want to put down the green sticker instead. Okay, this is coming up okay. Ooh, scary. It's always scary putting down a sticker and then trying to lift it back up. Oh, see, that makes such a huge difference. I love that. Love that. And then just adding that to it. Okay, then just looking at what I do have left for stickers. Let's cut that, put a little bit here, and then I'm going to put a don't forget. There we go. Then I'm just going to start adding florals all around, because I'm getting to pretty much the end of this kit, which is good. I wanted to be able to use it all, make the most of it, really. I didn't want to waste any bit of this kit. Adding in some of this washi. It might seem a little bit haphazard what I'm doing, but I almost find that if you think too much about it, it makes the process really difficult. So I try not to think too much about where to place a sticker, because at the end of the day, they're just stickers. You know, and there we go. Yeah, at the end of the day, they're just stickers. And if you put a sticker down incorrectly, That's the thing, there is no incorrect way to put a sticker down. You put a sticker down, if you like it, great. But it's not the end of the world if you don't. You know, it's using what you've got, using up your stash. And I'm really about using my stash right now. While I was on squat, I was just so overwhelmed with so much stuff. And now I really just want to buy what I know I will use when, and know exactly even when I'm going to use it, because then I at least know that I'm not hoarding stickers, that it has a purpose. See? All done. Now I know there's going to be a few stickers left over, but that's okay. These ones are a bit more functional that I could use in the future. All right. Very simple, but beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, I could put some of this washi up at the top here. So I'm going to combine this with some of that grid washi right here. And then, so simple. And then I have one last piece of washi left, and then I'm done that page too. That just, I feel like is, where can I put this now? I'm gonna just lay that here, and I don't mind covering up the days because I know what day those are. Washi. There we go. And last bit of washi. And done. All right. Okay. Oh, I love that. All right, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching my whole process here. The thing I like about these Plan With Me videos is that every person has a different process for doing things, and these Plan With Me videos give you kind of an insight into how processes are different for every person, and that's completely okay. Yeah, but that is it for me. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching my monthly spread video, and have a great day.